Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a user on Mac OS. Are you ready? Let's get started. So first you should click on Apple icon and choose System Preferences. Click on that. And then after that you should choose User in Groups. Click on that. So on the left side there are list of user. Okay, I am going to delete this user Murti. So first I have to click on this to unlock. Okay, and now it's available as this is the user I wanna to delete. So click on that. Okay, and on the bottom you have minus and plus. You should click on minus to delete this user. Delete user. Yes, it's deleting the user. As you can see, the user has been successfully deleted or removed on this PC or MacBook. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.